Hey everybody, Chef Jay here for Culinary IQ. Let's be honest. Are we actually cooking? Are we just following recipes? Are we just one ingredient away from a disaster in the kitchen or one broken sauce away from ordering a pizza? The real problem is not your stove, it's not your ingredients. It's like when you're reading that recipe, it's following a map that if you take one wrong left turn, you'll be in Albuquerque. And you know exactly what I mean. And that's why I created Culinary IQ, powered by Culinary Icon. This app not only shows you how to do it, but why you're doing it. It will guide you through step by step to understand those directions and understand what you need to do to make your culinary IQ increase and get through recipes effortlessly. With the Culinary IQ app, we teach you the differences between salt, acid, what to do when something breaks so you can fix it on the fly. No more guesswork and no more throwing away your dishes because they didn't come out the way you want them to. And the best part of the Culinary IQ app is that it's all measurable. We have a phenomenal gamification system built in that tracks your streaks, it tracks your understanding, it tracks everything that you do within the app, so that way, if you need to go and look something up, you can. What does it mean to deglaze? All of those things are listed here along with videos to show you everything that you need to do, but it also asks you questions for understanding to make sure that those little pieces of information that pop up in a recipe don't throw you. Stop being a slave to the recipes. Start understanding the language of food. Start finding yourself and your confidence in the kitchen. Let's raise your culinary IQ together.